Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we open this box which is coming from a far away country, which is UK. So this is a totally new stuff for me, the ClickWalls system. I will have my usual and classic unboxing introduction, and then I will share with you my initial thoughts on this kit. It's quite a heavy package, so let's crack on. Okay, let's destroy the papers. This is a very classy black box. I like black boxes. Let's remove this, which is also black. So far so good. Must say that the box is kind of damaged here on the corner. Let's hope it is not a big problem. Oh, and it also is a magnetic one, so even better. High class packaging. We have some protection foam, which is also good for crafting actually. Oh, nice. And immediately I can see ClickWalls.com system. Let me see. It's a filament printing, high quality filament printing. I like it. You have several parts. Basically the concept here is to have a modular system which allows you to create several and different buildings with this easy column system. Yeah, it's nice stuff. A little bit too classic for me. I like ruined stuff, but yeah, we can modify it. More pieces. This is a chimney. Nice. We have a beautiful extension for the house. More walls. Let me see, all together outside of the box. Okay, this is it. We have windows. Nice. I like this box also. So basically the system is done in a way that you actually can put together pieces like this one, for example. And then you have openable stuff. This seems a flower balcony. Nice. So we do have a floor here. And this is for the building. Let me check. Okay, I understand. It's perfectly easy to understand this system. And then you have this click that allows you to put the walls together in this this is the click, this nice way. Yeah, this enter here. So then you have another column. Not so. I think this can wait a second. Let's put windows. What do you think? Yes. On this side we put windows. Another column. Let me see, it's quite intuitive, guys. Not very difficult to understand. Okay, then you have the floor, which enters perfectly. And I must say, this is already a beautiful environment. It's a beautiful scale. Let me check it with my faithful barman. Of course. Also, the door is a little bit more than 1 inch grid. So yeah, I like it very much. Then we can have other 1, 2. This is a balcony, for example, which I think it can stand in some other places, like so. So let's create a balcony wall. The column on these walls. Yeah. Then we can put the balcony. Yeah, perfect. And this has this system which allows you to basically click the walls on the second floor. Okay, it's like so, but later on. We have another part with this beautiful extension here. Let's see if we can finish finish the floor like so. I think yes. We have another door here. We have doors, so doors, I like doors. I don't know if there is a direction. Unfortunately, I watched the video just once and I'm going by memory, so I will rewatch the video, but you can check the channel, is on the link here. Okay, this is the space for the stairs, of course, which we have, which is beautiful. We have stairs. So let me finish this beautiful floor. My god, this is a very quick system, guys. I like it very much. It's quite straightforward, you know. This is for this part, of course. This in which way? I think it's beautiful when this, for example. Or maybe it's better to have a balcony, like so. You see, it's perfect. So we have ascending stairs here, which stays perfectly inside, as you can see. I hope you can see it beautifully. Also stairs that are beautifully in scale, 1-inch grid scale. Let's see if we can put now the floor on the inside. Yes, we can, sir. Beautiful. Okay, this is perfectly on the place. This is also a sign, which is nice, a nice head. Maybe the sign can stay here, like so. Then we have the roof, which fits basically perfectly, like so. And the chimney. Oh my god, guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful little house. A little bit too modern, in my opinion, because I understand perfectly that you have this style of roof, but for example, this balcony is perfectly in fantasy style, also this kind of windows. This is a beautiful set. Let's compare this house with something that I have already in my arsenal. A 28mm scale lake town house, which is actually much little in comparison of this one. Okay, this is a middle stuff. This is a system very playful, very nice. Actually, you can remove every floor and continue. Sorry, I blocked the floor actually with this. You can move every floor and have your space all the time ready to play. Okay, so I think this is a big system, nice system. It's very simple, it's very sturdy, it's a beautiful plastic. So yeah, I think I will customize this in some way. So yeah, stay connected because I will use somehow this building. Now let's see it with my fantasy townhouse. I don't bother now too much about the building, but as you can see, the dimensions are very similar. And yeah, I'm already thinking about putting some grout on this first floor and modify a little bit the structure. Wait guys, before leave, an important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this. You are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!